Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker QCY SP7. So, to volume control, at the top the speaker we have two buttons. The plus button is to increase the volume and minus button to lower the volume. Now let me play some video and we can check it. So you can press or press and hold to increase the volume. To lower the volume, as I said, we have minus button, and again you can press or press and hold on it. And as you can see at this widget, I lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!